In this final video, we're going to discuss overcoming meal prep fatigue and how to be supported if ever you fall into a meal prepping rut. Usually, fatigue happens after about 4 to 6 months of meal prepping, so we recommend coming back to this material and going through this course about every 3 to 6 months. To avoid getting in a rut, try building time into your schedule to find new recipes each month. It's really fun. Try preparing batch meals that can be frozen so you can take a week off from time to time from a full week of meal prep. Just like in weight training, where people usually need a week off every 2 to 3 months to reset both your mind and body. Same thing applies to meal prepping. If you can prepare extra items to have on hand, knowing that you'll have a week that you either can't or don't want to prep, this will help big time. As you get closer to your goal, you're bound to hit a plateau after some time. You've reached a plateau when you start to get lazy or feel negative about the meal prep process in general. If you feel this, then it's a good indicator that it's time to mix it up. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. 8 hours a night is ideal. Are you drinking enough water? How about physical activity? Are you getting enough movement throughout the day? Every little step counts. How's your digestion? Are you making time for self-care activities? How's your stress level? Have you had any major life changes happen in the last 30 days? Have you had any changes in medication or medical conditions? And if you're older, are you having any issues with hormones or menopause? Notice if you hit a plateau. This is simply an indicator to look at your lifestyle and your system or your mindset in order to adjust as necessary. After you evaluate your state, do what you need to do to make any changes needed to keep at your efforts. We hope this course empowered you to build a sustainable process for your life. You've done a fantastic job at learning how to take action and achieve your goals. Congratulations on allowing this process to work for you. Really. Please keep in mind that this is a long-term process and meal prepping is a lifestyle that you can continue to shift and evolve to suit your life. It's encouraged to keep coming back to this material as needed and trust that this information is part of you now. Never underestimate the power of healthy habits. They add up and make a big difference in your life. Trust that you're never alone in this process and that Meal Prep on Fleek community is always here to support you along your way. Happy meal prepping!